My first name is Jim, and I've been part of the Feet to the Fire workshop since I first got here. Another gentleman by the name of Frank Wenzel joined us, and Frank said, "You need to write these stories down for your family." And I thought, well, our families won't be interested in all of what we did, but I was wrong. I made an effort to write sort of stories that covers the memories of my growing up years and what happened during President Roosevelt's time. And so I've really enjoyed that, and the family has really enjoyed receiving the articles. So it's been an interesting change of dynamics, but the Feet to the Fire program is really a very good program. The Feet to the Fire to me has been sort of a godsend because, as I say, I've been living alone. It causes me to go back and review things that have happened in life and to capture those things. And it's been sort of enlightening even to me because, interestingly enough, the timelines of how things happen and the events as they happen over time become sort of blurred, and looking back over them and remembering them has been very enlightening even for me as well as the family.